beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So आज का वीडियो है Nykaa Naturals के न्यू लॉन्च के बारे में. So Nykaa recently launched another variant उनके shampoo, conditioner and hair mask में, and they were kind enough to send me a PR package जिसमें they have included the Amla and curry leaf variant. So this is how the box came in, and I'm really excited to show you my experience. I have used this twice, जो आप आगे वीडियो में देखोगे, and I have my first thoughts on this, and we're just going to unbox and show you what all the products we have. ये क्या करता है, what are their claims and everything. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि Nykaa Naturals का हेयर केयर रेंज बहुत ही अच्छा है. is paraben free, SLS, SLES free and cruelty free. I have been using their fenugreek and onion wala range, the purple one. I have not used their hair mask, but shampoo and conditioner मैं regularly use करती हूँ उसका, and I really like it. I really like onion based shampoos. Hair growth and follicles को strong बनाने के लिए onion based shampoos are really popular, and that is the reason I have been using the fenugreek and onion wala range, and I really love that. And I recently got my hands on the Amla and curry leaves one. So when Nykaa sent me the PR package, this is how it came in. I really love Nykaa's PR packages. They are really reusable packaging. I really like to store this in my makeup drawers. Like मेरे पास already एक और box है इसका, and I store it for storage purpose. Anyways, आप जब खरीदोगे ये box में नहीं आएगा. It's just a PR package, and I really wanted to share what I got. So that's the reason I'm unboxing right in front of you. As soon as I open the box, ये रहे the products inside the packaging. The first thing I see is a template जहाँ पे it's mentioned everything related to Amla and curry leaves. So the reasons to love is combat hair fall, strengthen hair follicles, antimicrobial properties, boosts blood circulation, balances pH of your hair. So those are the claims of this Amla and curry leaves, guys. If you're familiar, Indian नुस्खों में हमेशा Amla and curry leaf होता ही होता है. Amla is great for hair fall and also curry leaves. मम्मी हमेशा तेल को गरम करके coconut oil को गरम करके उसमें थोड़ा सा curry leaf डाल के she used to massage it on my head, and that champy was the best champy. And now we have Amla and curry leaves in our hair care product, so it's like best of the both worlds. So without further ado, let me just quickly show you the products inside this packaging. So पहले मैं अपने hair mask के बारे में बात करूँगी. ये 200 ml का product है, and this retails for $5.99. and I have used a couple of hair masks, and I really like this one. It just smells so good, guys. Oh, it really smells very spa like and luxury like, and I also really like the packaging of this. I think ये बहुत ही अच्छा hair mask है. It just nourishes and gives your hair this beautiful shine. But this is the first hair mask I tried in Nykaa Natural का range, and I really like it. Also, if I tell you the thickness of the mask, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick नहीं है, because I have experienced थोड़े hair masks जो कि इतने thick होते हैं that it just looks like oil mess. वीडियो में देख सकते हो I have applied this hair mask throughout my hair. Also मेरे scalp पे भी लगाया था because I really wanted a little bit of deep conditioning. Lockdown में salons जाना नहीं हो रहा है COVID की वजह से. We are all stuck at home and everything. So having a little bit of a spa time घर पे is really important, and Nykaa really made this happen. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो it spreads evenly, कोई lumps नहीं है. It's nicely whipped hair mask. कुछ भी इसमें fancy नहीं है, but at the same time it is really good quality. The smell of this definitely smells like a luxury spa. Now coming to the shampoo and conditioner, these are the two variants. The shampoo comes in this cute little packaging जो कि यहाँ पे you have a push button and you just drop out the product यहाँ से. Again 200 ml, and this retails for $3.99. $3.99 for 200 ml. I think it's a really good price. I used this, as I said, twice, and this lathers really well. आप वीडियो में भी देख सकते हो बहुत अच्छे से lather होता है ये, quickly lather होता है, and it just cleans and makes your hair look really nice and fresh. So that is the shampoo. And coming to the conditioner, it is 180 ml of product, and this also retails for 399 rupees. The conditioner is also really good. The days when I use the hair mask is when my hair is a lot more conditioned, of course, क्योंकि it's like a deep conditioning mask. And जब मैं सिर्फ conditioner लगाती हूँ, it just maintains मेरा frizz, it just has this beautiful shine to my hair, and that is what it does when I just use only conditioner. So these are the 3 products that Nykaa launched recently for the Nykaa Naturals range, and इसके पूरे details मैं आपको description box में दे दूँगी, आप कहाँ से ले सकते हो. And if you want, you can use my link to purchase these products. It will be helpful for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do hit like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon in my next one.